Welcome back everyone, it's Chris with Haven Lighting. Today we're going to do an unboxing of our full color aluminum 6-watt uplight. It is our most popular product by far. So here we go. First thing you'll notice is that it's got an instruction card. It's got some wiring instructions, QR code on it. Scan it, it'll take you to our website, and there's lots of videos there on how to do things, how to zone lights, how to do other things with the light. It comes with stainless steel stakes. We'll get into that in a minute. Haven waterproof wire connections. It comes with 3 extra lens packs, which allows you to adjust the spread of the light, and the main light. So with the light, installed in the light is a 45-degree spread lens. Comes with 10, 25, and 60 degrees as well. So every option in the box, you don't need to decide before you install it on what you want. It is a full color light, so that it is a 9 series. It communicates with our 9 series transformer. App controlled, control from anywhere, schedule it for holidays, make it any color you want. If you remove the shade and then just unscrew the top, the lens comes off very easily, and you can replace it with another lens based on the spread that you desire. Set it back in there, screw the top back on, and you're ready to go. So this allows you to adjust the lens angle, the beam spread, after you've got the light installed, which is very handy. The stainless steel stakes are very sturdy once installed, so they pack a big punch while small in nature. So you screw them to the bottom of the enclosure like so. They go in the ground very easily, and then press in, and very sturdy once in the ground. So that is our 9 series full color 6-watt uplight. Like I said, it's our most popular light. Check it out. Check out our other products at havenlighting.com. Thanks for watching.